Hi, Teresa from Anjurisa here. In today's video, we are making this simple and super useful fabric storage box. A neat little organizer that's perfect for all those tiny items that always seem to disappear. You know what? A friend once told me, the smaller the organizer, the more useful it is. And she was so right. Let's get started. Let's begin by preparing our fabric. For the outer part, I recommend using a heavyweight fabric, something that holds its shape well. If you don't have one, no worries. I'll share a great tip at the end of this video. Cut your fabric to 28 by 24 centimeters. Now fold it in half twice and secure it with some fabric clips. Grab your ruler and a fabric marker and draw an 8 centimeter square at the corner. From one corner of the square to the other, draw a 2.5 centimeters diagonal line. And then connect that point diagonally back to the corner of the square. Go ahead and cut along that line. This will help us shape the box so our box is not flat upward. Unfold the fabric and you'll see this shapely cut. We are ready to move on. Now let's repeat the same shape with a lightweight lining fabric. And a quick tip, keep your fabric scissors and paper scissors separate. It keeps your fabric cuts clean and sharp. That's it, just 2 pieces of fabric and we're ready to sew. Now this next part is optional, but I love doing it. Adding a decorative label. It gives your project a professional touch and a bit of personal flair. Whether it's a custom name tag or a cute patch, labels make your handmade piece feel extra special. Let's build our organizer. Bring all the sides and clip them together with fabric clips. You'll see the box shape form immediately. Before we move on, remember to check out my Etsy. I offer PDF sewing patterns for pouches and bows. Available for instant download, perfect for bringing inspiration to your next project. Now sew along all clip sides. This will give you the outer shell of your box. You can start to see the boxy shape. It's not flat upward, right? Now repeat the exact same steps for the lining fabric. Fold, clip, and sew. Once both the outer and lining are done, turn the lining fabric right side out and tuck it inside the outer fabric so the right sides are facing each other. Match the seams neatly, especially at the corners, and clip all the way around the top edge. Then sew around the edge, but make sure to leave a small opening so we can turn it right side out later. Time for the fun part. Turn your fabric right side out through that small opening. Use your clips again to secure the top edges nicely. And now we'll top stitch around the edge. Sometimes I find it easier to turn the lining fabric outside before doing this. It gives you more control over the edges. Once you are happy with the edges, fully turn it right side out. And let's add the finishing touch. For extra structure, I like to insert a firm base. You can use cardboard, plastic canvas, or anything sturdy. Cut to the size of the base. Cover it with the same lining fabric to make it look neat and pop it inside the storage box. And that's it! Your adorable fabric storage box is finished. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this project, give it a thumbs up, share it with a crafty friend, and subscribe for more fun and beginner-friendly tutorials. See you in my next video. And as always, happy crafting!